Did you know a busted reverse light can lead to a ticket and make parking way harder? Here's how to fix it fast on your Chevy Colorado. First, check the obvious. Pop your truck into reverse. Does one or both lights stay dark? If it's just one, swap out the bulb. Open the tailgate, remove the screws, and gently pull the housing out. Twist out the bulb, pop in a new one, and test it. Easy win. If both reverse lights are out, it's probably not the bulbs. Check your fuses. Look for the diagram in your owner's manual or on the fuse box cover. The reverse light fuse might be labeled backup or reverse. If it's blown, swap it with a new fuse of the same rating. Still nothing? The next step is the reverse light switch, usually mounted on the transmission. If you're comfortable, locate the switch and check for damage or loose wiring. If you spot a broken wire, you might need a mechanic's help. And here's a pro tip. Always test your fix before closing things up. Don't ignore reverse light problems. They keep you safe and legal on the road. That's it. Now you know how to quickly fix your Chevy Colorado's reverse lights. Subscribe for more simple car fixes.